You're in luck if you own at least 300 XRP tokens. You must view this if you own any XRP tokens or have any interest in XRP. What recent XRP news is there, and how will this impact XRP's value? I'll be responding to these queries in today's video, along with sharing with you all of the recently disclosed price-boosting details regarding XRP and explaining how there's still a good chance you might make $1 million with it. Since I spent a lot of time researching this video, please watch it through to the end to avoid missing any information that could increase the price. With $758 million worth of trades over the course of a day, the price of XRP is $0.51 today. Over the last week, the price of XRP has increased by 6.6% and by 0.1% over the previous 24 hours. There are 48 billion XRP coins in circulation out of a total of 100 billion. Please remember that by the time you watch this video, some prices may have changed. As investing in the cryptocurrency market is dangerous, please conduct your own research before making an investment. This content is not intended as financial advice. Coin, eToro, and GateHub are some of the busiest exchange websites if you're trying to buy or sell XRP. Alright, let's stop wasting time now. Now let's watch the video. Sales using XRP programmatic. Attorney Jeremy Hogan anticipates that the SEC's proposed appeal will face significant challenges. Honorable Analyst Atoris, a district judge for the Southern District of New York of the United States District Court, rendered a nuanced decision on July 13, 2023, in the ongoing legal dispute between the U.S. Ripple Labs and the Securities and Exchange Commission. The case was filed in December 2020 and claimed that Christian A. Larsen and Bradley Garlinghouse, two of Ripple's senior executives, had offered and sold securities in violation of the law. The Securities Act of 1933, Section 5, was allegedly broken by this. The executives were allegedly involved in Ripple's purported infractions, according to this SEC's further claims. Each party has filed their move for summary judgment. For the opinion of the court, the SEC's and Ripple's executives' motions were partially granted and partially denied by the court's divided decision. In particular, the SEC's move for summary judgment on institutional sales was granted by the court, but it was denied in other respects. Conversely, except for the institutional sales section, Ripple's motion regarding programmatic sales, other distributions, and sales by Larsen and Garlinghouse was allowed. Additionally rejected was the SEC's motion accusing Larsen and Garlinghouse of aiding and abetting. Judge Torres gave particular details about Larsen and Garlinghouse's XRP sales. According to her, blind bids and ask transactions were used to carry out these sales on several digital asset exchanges. The final requirement, which establishes whether a transaction constitutes an investment contract, cannot be met as neither party knew the other's identity. She also made it clear that XRP does not automatically satisfy the Howey test criteria to be considered an investment contract because it is a digital asset. The judge pointed out that the SEC had not made a strong case for why the sales of XRP on the secondary market qualified as investment contracts. She stressed that Ripple was never linked to the money from these sales. Therefore, the court was unable to reach this conclusion. Yesterday, American lawyer Jeremy Hogan, who has been closely monitoring the lawsuit, shared his thoughts on X, the former name for Twitter. Hogan claims that although certain legal actions might still be forthcoming, the case's practical ramifications have been resolved for the most part. He stressed that, in his judgment, the public's time to be concerned about the matter had largely ended. The SEC withdrew the remaining accusations, Hogan pointed out, so there would be no need for a trial the following month. A year. He said that no more disclosures are anticipated, as the case's facts are fully established. In addition, he talked about the potential for a settlement before a definitive ruling is made. Hogan pointed out that the SEC has already made it clear that it intends to pursue appeals, and that either party may do so. Based on statistical data, Hogan calculated this SEC's odds of winning an appeal down to 14.2%. He continued by saying that the SEC's chances are not improved by the judge's opinion, which is fact-based and comprehensive. Hogan went on to say that the appellate court would have to return the case back to the trial judge for more judicial findings and judgments if the SEC were to prevail in the appeal in 2025. The reason for this is the format of the judge's order. Hogan noted that the judge did not reach a conclusion regarding the second or third prongs of the Howey test, which pertains to alternative distributions of XRP. He said that there was a chance the judge would decide in Ripple's favor in these cases. He said that the matter would still need to return to the trial court for additional resolution, even if the appeal court agreed with the SEC. According to Hogan, the judge appears to be considering Ripple's fair notice defense. If you're still with us, please support the channel by liking, subscribing, and remembering to check back often so you don't miss anything. Let's stop wasting time now. Now let's watch the remainder of the video. Analysts estimate that XRP will soar to $18 or $13 based on Elliott wave theory. Well-known pseudonymous market analyst Dark Defender has provided a prediction for XRP, indicating that it may increase in value to either $18 or $13. The Elliott wave pattern, a well-acclaimed analytical approach for forecasting market patterns, serves as the foundation for this projection. Dark Defender stated that it had demonstrated the Elliott wave pattern's dependability over time and expressed significant confidence in its capacity to predict price fluctuations. Traders utilize the Elliott wave theory, a type of technical analysis, to forecast market trends and examine financial market cycles. It was created by Ralph Nelson Elliott in the late 1930s. According to the idea, markets move in recurring cycles known as waves by Elliott. These waves, which can be seen in both upward and downward market patterns, are the outcome of investor psychology. Elliott wave theory's basic structure is comprised of 5 waves oriented in the direction of the main trend, followed by 3 corrective waves. The trend waves are commonly denoted by the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and -5, while the corrective waves are denoted by the letters ABC. It is possible to divide the 5-wave pattern into smaller waves. Smaller wave patterns, conversely, it may also comprise a larger wave pattern. The idea can be used throughout a variety of time periods because of the wave's fractal character. Elliott wave theory is used by analysts and traders to determine levels of stop loss, entry and exit points, and the direction in which the price of an asset will move in the future. Elliott wave theory is interpretable and not infallible, just like any other type of technical analysis, so keep that in mind. The lack of a correlation between the price of XRP and Ripple's legal outcomes was one of Dark Defender's most important findings. The price of XRP has not increased in tandem with Ripple's recent court victories against the SEC. Dark Defender observed that the Elliott wave pattern's position appears to have a greater influence on the price of XRP, highlighting even more how dependable the pattern is as a forecasting tool. Dark Defender claims that XRP is presently in the eagerly awaited Elliott wave pattern's wave 3. This is an important phase that may pave the way for significant price increases. XRP is currently trading between $0.46 and $0.52, falling within Wave 2. According to Dark Defender, XRP is expected to surpass the upper boundary of $0.52 this week, which might pave the way for a climb towards $0.66 the following week. Regarding precise price predictions, Dark Defender anticipates that in Wave 3, XRP will soon approach a median objective of $5.85. This might not be XRP's ultimate destiny, though. Additionally, the analyst hinted that XRP might continue to rise to $18.12. We would like to clarify that we do not ask you to invest in any firm, nor is this a channel designed to give financial advice. This is just a means of delivering instructional materials right to your door.